Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovate Code Hub YouTube channel. I am Dami. Today I am gonna explain about Java method calling stack. I will explain one by one. Okay, in Java, the call stack acts as a tracking system for executing methods. When a method is called, it's placed on top of the stack, and once done, it's removed. This This ensures the right order of method calls and proper program flow. I will explain with my code. Inside my code, there are two methods, method A and method B. When program is executed, main method will be triggered. Inside the main method, you can see main method starts as a first S out. When main method is called, based on our Java method calling stack mechanism, main method and add into the stack. Again, inside the main method, that is called to method A. Okay, inside the method A, there are two sout and again call into method B. Okay, when program is run, main method will be triggered as a first main method will be triggered. Press S out, you can see in the output, and method A will be triggered. Inside the method A, press S out, you can see in the output. Again call into method B. Then method B will be added into the stack. Okay, inside the method B, there are no any methods called inside the method B. Then after execution, fully execution of method B will be removed from the stack. Okay, then again go to method A. After method B is executed, method A final line will be triggered. After trigger final line of method A, method A will be triggered. Method A will be removed from the stack. Okay, method A will be removed from the stack. After complete method A execution, again come back to main method. After complete method, main method related everything, program will be completed. Okay, I will explain again. When program is run, main method will be called. Inside the main method there is a method called method A. Inside the method A, there is another method called method B. Pressing main method add into the stack. Then method A add into the stack. Before complete method A, method B add into the stack. Method B no belongs any method calls. After complete method B, again come back to method A. Method A, after complete execution of method A, again come back to main method. In the main method, remaining codes will be executed after execution of method A. That's the behavior of Java method calling stack. I trust this information has been clear. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.